Hi guys, good evening.
Papa, can you come here?
Hi Vihan, what are you doing in school, Vihan?
Papa!
We were doing slope, and we had a quiz on Monday, and I got 100 on it.
Very nice. How about you, Shruti? What are you doing in school?
We just finished our test on equations and inequalities today.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
How about you, Pranav and Nikita? What are you doing in school?
Reviewing for midterms.
Yeah, we're also reviewing for midterms, and I'm doing a performance task.
Okay, Pranav, you?
Midterm reviewing.
What was the last topic you covered, Ma? Nikita and Pranav?
I think the last topic we covered was probably like equations, inequalities, and angles.
I see. Okay.
Really hot.
Did you have any questions on the homework? Did you have any questions on the homework? No? Did you have any questions on the homework? Anybody?
No.
Okay. Then I will go ahead and get started with.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
my for some reason my computer's showing that my camera's not working.
It's okay, Jashwita, as long as you listen, that's fine. Vishant and Tarunika, what are you doing in school?
We're learning about like functions.
Oh, you're learning about functions. Okay. Yeah. So let's go ahead. I really want to do that functions piece for you. Then get on to probability. Let's see. 1 second, guys. Let's go do that. You're all seeing my board, right? Okay. I would like to review inequalities though. That's what we did last time, right? We have done inequalities, I know. So, okay, let's go ahead. Okay. While I will review inequalities, equations again and again and again, I also want to do this. Let's see. How about okay. You know, 1 minute. Okay. Let's talk about functions. This is important as you get into algebra 1. Okay, it's a part of grade 8 standard though. Okay. So let's say function is nothing but a black box. Okay, you give some input to it, it will generate an output. Input is x, output is y. Suppose let's say I have a machine, a function machine. I give 1, it gives out 2. I give 2, it gives out 4. I give 4, you give 8. Okay. So what is the rule for
Doubling the input.
By 2.
It doubles the input.
yeah, it doubles the input. So input times 2. Make sense? So you know this is the rule, right? So what is the equation for this function machine? What will be the equation you write? Y is always the output, x is always the input. When you graph it,
When does your class get over 1 hour?
நான் call பண்றேன்னு சொல்லு. X is here, y is here, okay? So now when you have the input, you put it on the x, y, you put it on the output. This is how we plot, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 gives you 2, 2 gives you 4, 3 gives you 6. See, I designed my own function machine. I wrote out the rule y equal to 2x. This is the rule. Then I plotted into a graph. Any questions here?
No.
So we learned something about function machines, right? Now, since my output is always dependent on my input, I can write my output as function of x. Any questions there? This is read as function of x. Any questions there? Meaning, whatever is inside the parenthesis is the independent variable. Okay, this function, which is called f of x, right, is dependent on that independent variable. This is sometimes called y. You can as well call it as f of x. Please do not say f times x. This is f of x. You got it? Function of x. Make sense? Does that make sense?
Yes.
So
Can
do we
machines also be adding?
What is it?
Can also be adding?
Yeah, it can be an addition machine, it can be a multiplication machine, it can multiply by 3 and add 5, it can do anything. You got it? The rule differs. Now let's say this is x value, this is y value, right? I call this as a function f of x. Tell me what is f of x when x equal to 2 in this machine. This is a machine. What is my f of x value when x equal to 2? Somebody answer so that let us make it interactive.
Would it be f equals to 2x?
It would be f of 2.
Yeah, what is it? What is f of 2? Correct. What is f of 2? What is the value of f of 2?
4
How do you know that?
because you graphed in it so that
Exactly. 2 gives 4 and at x equal to 2 you have y value equal to 4. You got it? Any questions still here? Any questions, ma? Manvi, video is mandatory, ma. Did you guys get it? Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one.
you're echoing.
That is because one of you have a problem. I'll tell you why. I'll. Is this okay now?
Yeah.
Yeah, Inian, if you unmute, I think you're putting that original sound or something Zoom setting on. That is why when you unmute, whoever talks, it will echo. So you cannot enable that setting in Zoom. Am I making sense, Inian?
Yes, Auntie.
You should, there is a blue box, you're checking that in, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the problem. Please don't check that in. Now it's easy, right? You unchecked it, it becomes fine. Okay, how about this? Let's see. Now, sometimes I can represent a function using a mapping diagram. Some schools will deal with this topic, some schools may not deal with this topic, okay? Now, function mapping diagram tells you the relationship between input and output. They are balloons. Okay. Now, what does this mean? What does this function machine doing? What is this function machine doing?
Is it making everything to 2?
Exactly. It doesn't do anything but only returns 2. So how do we graph this machine?
You put the y is always 2 and you just carry up the x.
Exactly. This is a constant machine. You got it? Okay. So anything related to now, guys, here an important point comes up. A function machine, when you plot it, right? See here, it's a graph like this, or a graph like this, or a graph like this. It can be anything like this, right? Now, what are the values for this one input output? 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2. A real reliable function machine. See, I give it 1, it's giving me 2. I give it 2, it gives me 2. I give it 3, it gives me 2. I give it 4, it gives me 2. It is still reliable. Suppose the same machine, I give it 1, it gives me 2. I give it 1 again, it gives me 3. I give it 2, it gives me 2. I give it 4, it gives me 2. Do you think this machine is reliable?
No.
Why?
Because it doesn't have like a constant. It just random.
Yeah, it's just
No. See,
no.
everything
One
is a
has
constant.
two
But
y values. One has two
for the
y.
same input when I give, I expect it to provide. See, first time I gave 1, it gave me
It
2.
has two y values.
Second time if I try to give 1, it should give me 2. Then only it's reliable. You got it?
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be constant, but whatever I gave it before, it has to retain, it has to maintain itself, right? It's not doing that. So the same input, when I give, it's producing different output, then it is very unreliable. It's not a function at all. You see what I mean? The other way of telling it is, let's plot it. 1 is giving me 2, 1 is again giving me 3, 2 is giving me 2, 3 is giving me 3. When you think about this function, right, there are two inputs, there are two outputs for the same input. Do you see it? Two inputs. I'm sorry. There are two outputs for the same input. Am I making sense? There can't be two different outputs for the same input. That is a criteria. Whereas the outputs all can be the same, inputs all can be different, does not matter. This is still a function. You see it? When I plot it, this graph will look like this. You got it? When you see the graph, right, this is not an acceptable function. This is an acceptable function, this is an acceptable function. Do you see it? So, the same input cannot have different outputs. But you can have the same output for different inputs. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
No.
Okay. Now let me ask you one question. Graphically, right, there is one another test to test whether this is a function or not. When you look at the graph, you should be able to say, draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line anywhere on that function, anywhere on the line, anywhere on the function. When the vertical line touches only one point in the graph, then it is a function. Here, when you draw a vertical line, here it touches 2 points. This is called the vertical line test to test whether it is a function. Vertical line test to test whether it is a function. If the vertical line touches only 1 point in the graph, it is still a function. Any questions? Thanks, ma'am. Any questions? Any questions, guys?
No.
No.
Okay, so graphically, the vertical line test is really helpful to determine whether it is a reliable function. Suppose if they give you the input-output values, right? Is this a function? Is this a function?
No.
Why?
Because
The
one,
first one is yeah.
Yeah, there's two y values.
Exactly,
for one.
this is not a function. So when they give you the input-output values, you can easily say algebraically that this vertical line test is very useful for graphs. A function need not be lines. You see, a function can be anything. See, this is a function. You see, is this a function?
yes.
Guys,
No, this third one isn't.
why?
It's because it doesn't pass the vertical line.
Yeah, see, this particular input has two different outputs. Y values. Did you get it? So this is not a function. This is a function. This is a function. Can I move on? Did you guys get it? Okay. Now, let's say I draw a function. Okay. Can you tell me what is x when f of x equal to minus 1? Can you tell me? F of x equal to minus 2. Please answer in chat. Let me see how many of you understood.
I don't understand.
Okay. No problem. I'll help. F of x means what? What did I tell you about f of x? What did I tell you about f of x? F of x means y value, right? So, when y value is minus 2, what is the x value is what I'm asking very simply. Tarunika, did you understand now?
Yeah.
Ishan, can you correct your answer?
Yeah.
Johan, good job, Johan.
Did I get it right?
Check ma. Please try, guys. We are doing functions, Devansh. Okay, I'll translate the same question into a different question, then you'll get it. What is x value in the graph when y value is minus 2? Y value of the points, there are so many points. This is my graph, right? When the y value is a minus 2, what is the x value I'm asking?
Wait, Miss Priya, did I get it right?
Nikita, please check and revert ma. No, Ishan.
What about
Oh yeah, Tarunika, that's right.
I'm a little confused.
what about
Where is the y value 4? Think about, see the graph, guys. Where is the y value 4?
Oh.
Can you check mine?
Am I correct?
I'll check ma. Nikita, correct. Jashvita, that's incorrect ma. Where is the y value 4? Think about it. Where is the y value minus 2? Which is minus 2? Which is minus 2 on the y axis? Which is minus 2? This is the y projected. Where is the y value 2 minus 2? What is the x value there?
4.
4. So that is the answer 4. Krishiv, did you get it? Pranav, did you get it?
Yes.
Shruti, did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah, guys. Okay. Now, let me ask another question, the same graph. What is f of x when x equal to 0? You're all going to send the answer to me in chat. I'll wait for your answers.
Is my answer correct?
I will check, ma. Jashwita incorrect, Vihan correct, Nikita correct, Shruti correct, Manvi correct, Sreshta correct, Johan correct, Krishiv, check Krishiv, count and tell me Krishiv. I think you got it, but you're not counting correctly.
Are we using the same?
Huh?
Are we using the same graph?
Yeah, ma. Vishant, good job. Vishant, not really. Vishant, how did you get a 4? Can you explain? Krishiv, correct. Vishant or Jashwita, can you explain how did you get a 4? Yes,
Ma'am,
Taranika, very nice.
Ma'am, am I correct?
Devansh, I'll check. Vishant, you have to open your mouth and talk. Ishan, incorrect, ma. Devansh, correct. You, Marvit. Sorry. Vishant, can you explain why did you put a 4?
Huh? Because since fx equal
F
since
of x.
since f of x since x equals 4,
I said x equal to 0, right?
oh yeah, never mind.
What is the answer?
3.
3. When x equal to 0, x value, see the x-axis. X value is 0, project it on the graph. Where we land, y equal to 3. Got it? Okay, let's see more. I'm going to give you more questions. Let's see. Okay. Do you think this is a function? Yes or no? I will ask. I will call you out. Sreshta, you want to say, is this a function? Sreshta, you can shout out loud. Is this a function, ma?
Yeah.
Good. It is a function. Every input is a unique output. Is this a function? Devansh, is this a function?
That will be not the function.
Why?
Because x has the what is it?
Same input is producing
by the same number.
different outputs.
Yeah.
The same input should not produce different outputs. You see? But different inputs can produce the same output. That is okay. But when you give 2, first time it's giving me 4. When you give 2, it's giving me 6 the second time, which is incorrect. You got it?
Okay, I understand.
Okay. Now, how about this? You know, when there is additive relationship, what is the difference between this and this? Who can explain the difference between these two functions? I can call it as f of x. I can, just a name, right? I can call it g of x. X is
Can
your
I-
independent value.
So,
What is the difference between these two?
one is adding 2 plus x and the other is multiplying.
One is additive, one is multiplicative. So both are linear functions. Linear function means they form a line. Both are linear. But what is the difference between them?
One starts through the origin and the other one
So
doesn't.
what is it called? It goes through the origin, multiplicative. So
Proportional.
this is proportional.
The additive relationship
Yep.
is
Is
non-proportional.
non-proportional. Good job. Okay, now that you know, so let's move on. How about let's see this one. I'm going to give you more. Let's see. Okay, what type of a function is this? Is it proportional or non-proportional? See, okay, there are four things, guys. One is a function can be written as a verbal context. Verbally, they can describe the function, okay? Or there can be an equation between y and x, okay? Or it can be a graph, right? Or it can be a table. You should be able to connect functions written either in a verbal context or an equation or a graph or a table. We have discussed all. So this is just written down English. So tell me if this function, what type of a function is this? Gym charges 25 sign up fee plus $10 a month. Is this function proportional or not proportional?
it's
Do we
not
type in?
Non-proportional.
Why? Yes, ma'am. Why?
Because it's
Has a
constant.
sign-up fee, which is a y-intercept.
Good. It is a linear function, Mamanvi. Whatsoever proportional and non-proportional form a line. So it is definitely linear. You all got it? How about this circle? Tarunika, you want to explain whether this is a function or not?
It's not a function
It's not a function. Why?
because it doesn't pass the vertical line test.
Good. Oh, very nice. It doesn't pass the vertical line test. Oh, wow. Impressive. Okay. Now, how about this? You are going to do this and classify it proportional or non-proportional. We'll do more. Wait. How about this? Please, one of you. Pranav, do you want to answer that?
it's non-proportional
Good. It is not proportional. Why?
because it's $2 per mile, so it's an additional fee.
It has an addition of 4. It is
Yeah.
non-proportional. Okay, now let's move on, okay, with more functions. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Want the book for you? Yeah, hold on. How about this? I'm giving you the relation. I said I can give you an equation, a table, a graph, or just verbally describe it. All of you in chat, please. Question number 1, answer it together. Answer it together. What is f of minus 3? What is f of 2k? So what I am substituting as 2k? I am substituting all x as 2k.
So x is k.
No, the entire x is being substituted with 2k. You got it?
Yeah.
Do we type the equation or do we type what y is? I mean f is.
You type the answer 1, answer 2, answer.
Oh,
Correct, Sreshta. You can multiply the 2 and 2k, right? Exactly right, but you can multiply the 2 and 2k and say it as 4k. Johan, good job. Ishan, I'm waiting for your answer.
I sent it.
Nikita, I'm waiting for your answer. Vihan, what happened to that plus 5 in the second one? And Vihan, did you properly evaluate number 1? Number 1 is incorrect as well.
what?
Pranav, I'm not asking for proportional functions. I'm just asking what is the value.
That was before problem.
Oh, okay, got it.
Miss Priya, I'm a little bit confused.
I'll help you. Where are you confused?
I don't know like what to do.
You don't know what to do. Where are you confused? Tell me.
So
What is
supposed to
f of minus 3? What is inside this? It is the input, right? What is the input? X is always the input. This means I am asking for the y value when x is minus 3. You got it?
Yeah.
Plug that in. What happens? 2 times minus 3 plus 5. Jashwita, are you listening?
Yeah, I was confused on if we were supposed to solve the first like
Minus
f of x
6
is
plus
equal
5
to
is minus 1. You got it?
yeah.
When you supply the input as minus 3, what is the value of the y? You got it? Now the second one is asking make your x equal to 2k. Make your x as 2k. So f of 2k will be equal to 2 times 2k plus 5, which is 4k plus 5. Devansh, did you understand?
No, I didn't.
What is that you didn't understand?
So it says f, is it f of minus 3, and how it like I don't get how you get -1.
Because I plugged in x equal to minus 3. F of x is also called as y, the output of the function. So x is your independent variable. You are substituting, plugging in x equal to minus 3. Make sense?
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes.
For like 2x minus 3 plus 5, why would you minus 6? Why would you subtract 6?
What is 2 times minus 3?
-6.
That's what I wrote here.
Okay.
Negative 6 plus 5 is what?
1.
Negative 1.
Oh, -1.
Okay. How about this? Okay. My question is, this is a tricky question. F of A, this time A is my input, this is my output, equal to A plus 5. Find F of A by 4.
Is that right, Miss Priya?
What is that, ma?
Am I correct?
Good job, correct. Johan, that's right.
Kind of confused.
Okay, I'll help you. Where is that I can help you?
Like, I just don't get the question.
Don't get the question. Okay.
Wait, wouldn't a fourths plus 5 equal a fourths plus 5?
Correct, that's correct, Krishav. So what I'm doing is, instead of all A's, I'm plugging A by 4. Instead of A, I'm plugging in A by 4. So f of A by 4 will be equal to A by 4 plus 5. Make sense? Okay, let's see this one. I'm going to give you a graph this time. Okay? This is my graph. Okay? Now let me ask you this. What is x when f of x equal to 0?
Am I correct?
Correct, Johan.
Can I
Correct,
do
Shrestha.
Am I correct?
Manvi, correct. Devansh, I'm waiting for your answer. Tarunika, correct. Vihan, correct. Nikita, correct ma. Ishan, correct ma. Jashwita, correct ma. Vishant, correct. Krishiv, correct. Can I move on? Okay. Now I'm going to give you more questions. How about this? You're going to do this one. Can I erase this on the board? I've given you a function h of x. What is h of minus 3? Please be careful, guys. X square means you're going to plug the value of x and then square it. Please be careful.
What does h times minus 3 mean?
What is that, Vihan?
It says a and then it says h times minus 3. What does
This
that
is
mean?
question number 1. I already told you, please don't say h times minus 3. I did specify that last time when I discussed functions. Please don't ever say this as function times x. That's not it. This is function of x. You got it? Okay, there is a function by name f. Like Vihan, the function has the name f and it is dependent on x. Here, the function name is h. Function name is h. When I give x as the input, this is the output. I am asking, what is the function's value when x equal to minus 3? Did you get it, Vihan?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Am I correct?
Am I correct?
Devansh, Manvi, I'll never give you this sort of questions. Seems incorrect. Jashwita, what Jashwita? I don't think Jashwita you're getting it. Johan correct. Sreshta correct. Shruti incorrect ma. You're all substituting things incorrectly. Devansh, you don't see ma. This is x, this is y value, that's all. Y value of the function. When I ask you for this, I'm just asking you for the y value. It has to be a number. You don't write your answer like this. You get it, Devansh?
Oh, okay.
I'm saying I'm calling this as my output of the function, that's all. So wherever, see, they're asking for h of minus 3 means I'm asking the output of this function when I give the input as minus 3. You got it?
Oh, okay.
Wait, so would there be a number and a variable?
In the answer,
Yeah.
it depends. See, you are substituting x as a number. So the value of this will be what? A number or a variable?
Number.
You are already plugging in x as a number value. Then where will you get the variable?
Is mine correct?
Ma'am, am I correct?
Check. I'm waiting for several answers. Pranav, I'm checking. Pranav, you're not substitute. Pranav, can you do it on the board? Vishant, can you do it on the board? Ishan, incorrect. You're all not substituting it correctly. Where is x? How will x value come, Vihan? X, we are plugging in the value of minus 3, right? Tarunika, correct.
Is mine correct?
Huma, Krishiva,
Yeah.
I didn't check. No. Okay, there is a big problem. I know what is the problem, Krishiv. Pranav, yeah. See, Pranav is substituting x to be minus 3. So see what he's doing. Minus 3 is squared. Do you see it? When minus 3 is squared, it becomes, see, the x value is minus 3. That is squared. And then minus 3 times minus 3. Please put parenthesis, Pranav. So 9, this is 9. Then plus 9 plus 5 is 23. Any questions?
I just did the math wrong.
I thought it was a negative
I know.
9.
Many of
for
you
the
are doing the
second-
math wrong because of that squaring. When a negative number is squared, you need to remember that it becomes a positive number.
I forgot there's a minus sign in front of the 3x. So I did 3x times negative 3x.
What is it, ma?
I accidentally did 3x times negative 3x. I forgot the minus sign.
Oh, I see. So answer will not have x at all. You get it? How about this? Okay, this is an interesting question about functions. Let's see. Try this one.
Am I correct?
We'll check. Shruti, your computation was incorrect. Pranav, your computation was incorrect for the previous one. Sreshta, did you already answer?
Yeah.
No. How did you get, guys, 35? Sreshta, can you explain? Correct, Johan. Nikita, correct. Vihan, correct. How did you get 35, guys? Sreshta, explain now.
Since it's 11, you're doing 3 times 11, which is 30.
No, right, Sreshta. This is g of x is 11. The output is 11, right?
Oh,
So you need to plug this as 11, right? You are finding the input here, right?
okay.
9 equal to 3x, x equal to 3, input is 3. Depends on what is given. If they give you the output, you have to substitute it in the output. If they give you x value, then you need to substitute into the x value and find your output. You got it?
Yeah.
You call this g of x. You don't call g times x, please. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, let me see this one. I really want correct answers from all of you in this one. Try this one. Let me switch that off.
I sent my answer.
Good job, Vihan. You got it. Nikita, correct.
Am I
Ishan, correct. Sreshta, correct. Krishiv, correct. Johan, correct. Pranav,
Am I
correct. You guys got it. Good job. Shruti, correct. Now it's coming to nice. Devansh, correct. Tarunika, correct. Jashwita, incorrect, ma. Manvi, correct. Jashwita, I don't know what you're doing. Can you speak up?
I subtracted instead of adding.
You will never get x values. H of x is minus 25 means you are going to plug it in here. Now you are going to solve the equation, right? Plus 5 to both sides. It becomes minus 20 equal to minus 2x. X will be equal to 10. Can I move on?
I added 5 to negative 2x.
Yeah, you can add 5 to negative. This and this will get cancelled, right?
Yeah.
Here it will become 20 minus 20. So x will be equal to 10.
Okay.
Okay. How about this? Okay, let's try this one. Okay. It's a challenge one, okay? How about this, guys?
Are they the same question? Like, it's the same thing? You're muted.
Yes, ma. It's the same question.
Oh, is that my first answer? Don't mind my first answer.
Is mine correct?
Checking. Oh wow, Pranav correct, Pranav. Shruti correct, ma. Krishiv correct, Johan correct. I think you're all getting the hang of it. Sreshta correct, Ishan correct. Nikita, can you check on the sign? Tarunika, your answer please. Manvi, your answer please. Vishant, Jashwita, I didn't get your answers, guys. Tarunika
already
correct.
answered.
Jashwita, that's not correct, ma.
I fixed the sign.
Manvi correct. Devansh correct. Vihan correct. Nikita correct. Jashwita, I'll again explain. G of x equal to 16 means this is 16. 16 equal to minus 3x plus 1. Subtract 1, subtract 1. 15 equal to minus 3x. Divide by minus 3, divide by minus 3. It's minus 5. X equal to minus 5. Make sense?
Yeah.
How about this? Translate the following statement into coordinate points. Who can help me? What is the coordinate point talked about in that function? What is the coordinate point described in this function?
The
Negative.
y-axis is negative 1 and the x-axis is 1.
X-axis is what value?
Negative 1.
Or
Negative 1. Y value is what?
1.
Good. So they are talking about the point minus 1 comma 1. Good, guys. Very nice. Let's try a few more. How about, you want a challenging one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, how about this? We want to find out, it's going to be a challenging one. I'll help you with this, okay? We want to find out f of h of x. It's totally confusing, right? So, what are they doing? Usually I write it, they have given f of x. But instead of x, what did they do here? I know f of x equal to x square plus 7. If I give x as my input, the function squares it and adds 7. But here what are they doing? What are they doing? What did they give as input? What is the input? What is the input to this function, ma? They have given h of x as the input. What is h of x? It's another function.
Oh, 12 over x.
So they provided 12 by x as the input. So f of 12 by x. Wherever I see x, I am going to plug in 12 by x. You got it? So it will be 144 by x square plus 7. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
They are feeding one function as the input to another function. That's all. Tarunika, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How about you, Pranav and Vihan?
I understand.
Devansh, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, if you understand the core function, then it becomes very easy. Okay, how about this? I'm going to share some graph with you and ask you some questions. This is the graph of f of x. This is the graph of f of x. Okay. Can you tell me what is f of 3? Can you tell me what is f of 3?
Do we use the graph or the equations at the top? Okay, thank you.
You're on mute.
I have given you the graph, ma. I have asked you to find f of 3.
Wait, so do we multiply f by 3?
Vihan, what did I tell Vihan? Do you ever consider it like that? I told you first time I told. Then you asked me. You should never consider multiplying, I told you. It is just the y value, I told you.
Alright.
Remember, this you have to take it as function of 3. You got it?
Yeah.
So this is the function. The graph is given. That what does this mean? What does this mean? Tell me.
Function of 3.
That's true, but what does it mean? To the function, what are you giving as input? A function is input output. This is the entire output. What is the input to this function?
Miss Priya, can I get a tissue?
Yes,
Question
please
mark?
go. Huh?
The question mark?
What is the input to the function?
Oh, 3.
3. So when I give 3 as the input, what happens to the graph they're asking?
You find.
Yeah, you got it, Vihan?
Yeah.
Good, go ahead.
Ma'am, am I right?
Vihan, that's right. Answer is minus 2, ma. Tarunika. Jashwita, it's not 1.7, it's minus
Let's put
2.
the negative sign.
Huh?
And so let's put the negative sign.
Yeah, don't forget the negative sign, right?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, the answer is minus 2. Guys, did you all know that this will be the last class in 2025? 26 we meet after the new year. Do you all know that?
No.
I know
Yeah, we are going to have a break right after this week. Remember that we'll be on a break. We meet in the first week of January. I'll send the details to your moms and dads, the calendar details. They have to again sign up once more, register, and then we'll move with the classes. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now find out x when f of x equal to 2. It's a good one. Krishiv, did you already send the answer?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
No.
Am I correct?
F of x equal to 2. Think about it well. That means what? If f of x equal to... good job, Manvi. Johan, not correct. F of x equal to 2. No, Pranav. Not quiet. Shruti, not quiet. F of x equal to 2. Shruti, how did you find that? No, Ishan.
Is it correct now?
Vishant, incorrect, ma. Manvi, you can leave, Manvi. Devansh, not really.
Is it correct now, Miss Priya?
I'll check, ma, Sreshta. Not. Sreshta, can you show me where are you finding the graph in the graph? Where are you finding f of x equal to 2? Can you show me? Annotate in the board.
Oh, right here.
Where?
Like here.
Yeah, that is true. F of x equal to 2 means y-axis 2. Okay. Just project it on the graph. Where is the graph value 2? Tell me.
Oh, negative.
Oh,
Negative 4. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
The output is 2 when the x is a negative 4. Did you all get it, ma?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Wouldn't it also be -1? Oh, but it's not exactly on the dot. So.
Yeah, it's not exactly. Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
That's nice, guys. Now, we'll stop here. Okay, this basic intro to function really helps when you go to algebra 1. That is why this is being taught as a part of grade 8 standards in advanced grade 7 kids. Okay, so next time we'll start probability or 3D geometry. Make sense? Any questions for me?
No.
Okay. Okay, guys, and then happy Christmas to you all. Safe travels if you're traveling. Have a nice vacation. Very happy advance wishes for the new year 2026. See you all in the first week of Jan. If you have any questions, stay, guys. Otherwise, we'll log off and meet you in January.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Ma.
Have a nice Christmas.
Bye, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm here. Tell me.
On the homework we had, I had doubt on question 27, 28, and 35 and 49.
Devansh, I did discuss during the class, right? What were the questions in homework?
I joined, what's it, a little bit late.
Yeah, you have to join on time hereafter. Got it? Okay, tell me,
Yes.
what is the question?
27.
27. Let's go over it. I'm glad you're asking. Do you see my screen?
Yes, I see your screen now.
Okay, for some reason I'm not able to write. I don't know. 27. Okay, so 27 says exterior angle of a triangle is 140. This angle is 140, correct? One of the remote interior means that is not touching. Let's say if this is 35, what is this? 35 plus that angle is 140. So this is 105. You got it?
Oh, okay.
What other
Alright.
questions you? Yeah, because these are not touching the external angle. The sum of these two is this. Any questions?
No, not for that. I have a doubts on question 28.
28. Same thing, right? Exterior angle measures. Wait, why I'm not able to write on the board? I don't know. I'm really not able to. Okay. Now here, an exterior angle measures 6x minus 10, correct?
Yeah.
Now, two remote interior angles 45, right? This is 2x plus 5, right? Can you write an equation now? Can you write an equation? What is the equation?
It would
45 plus 2x plus 5 will be equal to 6x minus 10. You got it?
Okay.
You have to solve the equation. What else you have?
I also have question on 35.
Same thing. Same question you're asking, meaning same logic. Did you get it? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two remote interior angles.
Okay.
You get it?
Okay.
What else?
49.
49. Oh my god, same thing. Did you see? Do you understand?
Okay. I understand.
If you have this exterior angle, tell me what this is equal to.
That will be equal to 115, the exterior.
No. What this angle equal to? What is the shaded angle equal to? Shaded is an exterior angle. That is equal to what? Shaded angle is 4. Angle 4 is equal to what?
Angle 4 is equal to 150.
No. I have 1, 2, 3 angles. It's equal to what?
180. Wait.
Devansh, this is an external angle. This is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3 inside the triangle. You get it?
I see it.
Now suppose if I draw angle phi, what is angle phi equal to?
It will equal to 1 and 2.
No, it is correct. It's equal to 1 and 2. Good job. Got it?
Yeah,
Yeah, 1
understood
plus 2. Good job. You can leave. Any other questions?
No, I don't. Yeah, I
Okay,
don't
good.
have.
Good. Okay. Have fun. Happy vacation. See you in Jan.
I have a question on the previous because we never before this homework we never went over that homework.
Yes, you should ask the next week, right? Simply you accumulate and ask in one the same week. I am not for all this. You have to join on time. We did discuss the homework. You did not, you were not there. What was the question there? Tell me what was the question. I'll share the screen, but it is important that you finish and come and ask. Not like this together everything. You got it now? What is the question? Where is the homework?
It was the period theorem, something.
What is it? You have to tell me where it is.
Okay. It's wait. It's the one right below it. Yeah, that one.
What is the question? Do you know what is Pythagorean theorem?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the question?
14 and 14 and 14 and
14?
14 and 20.
Okay. So minus 5 comma 3, right? So this is minus 5 comma 3 here. Minus 5 comma 3 is here, right?
Ma'am, this is 13.
Oh, sorry. You have question number 15, Amma?
14.
14, okay. So here basically the same Pythagorean theorem. Okay, he places against the side of a house 8 1 by 4 feet from the base. So this is 8 1 by 4. Okay. 17-foot ladder. This is 17. So by Pythagorean theorem, what is Pythagorean theorem? The longest side, this square will be equal to 8 4s are 32, 33 by 4 square, right? Right?
Okay, yeah.
Plus what?
Plus
plus what?
No.
Plus x square.
X square, b square.
So how, did you get it? How do you find x square?
So we have to minus
17 square minus 33 by 4 square. Got it?
Okay.
Good. What else?
It was 20.
Same thing here. What will you do?
So
you need to find this. So what will you do?
So 40.6 no, wait. 42 minus
42 square. 42 square minus 40.6 square. Got it?
Okay, understood.
The square you should not miss. You got it? You are getting it. Good job. Good job. What else?
Nothing else, ma'am.
Good, but I want you to work out homework like this every single week. You got it, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You have any other? Bye, ma. Have a nice vacation.